Navigating the tunnels of language. Understanding idiomatic expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English an exciting adventure. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting phrase, navigate the tunnels. This expression can be quite puzzling, especially for English language learners. So, buckle up as we explore its meaning, usage, and delve into some examples to help you understand how to use it confidently in your conversations. The phrase, navigate the tunnels, is not just about literal tunnels. Instead, think of it as a vivid metaphor. To navigate means to find one's way, especially through complex areas, like a maze or, in our case, tunnels. Tunnels, on the other hand, symbolize challenges or complex situations in life or tasks. When someone says they're trying to navigate the tunnels, they're often talking about finding their way through difficult or confusing circumstances. This expression beautifully captures the idea of journeying through the unknown or overcoming obstacles that aren't straightforward. Now that you know what it means to navigate the tunnels, let's talk about when to use this expression. It's perfect for situations where you're discussing problem solving, facing challenges, or making difficult decisions. Here are a few examples to give you a clearer picture. Starting a new business has been tough. I'm still trying to navigate the tunnels of the market. Going to university in a foreign country means you'll have to navigate the tunnels of cultural differences and language barriers. After the recent policy changes, the Our department has been navigating the tunnels of compliance and adaptation. For English language learners, idiomatic expressions like navigate the tunnels can be tricky but also rewarding to master. Here are a few tips. Listen to context clues when you hear it in conversations or see it in written texts. Practice using it in your own sentences, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's part of learning. Keep a journal of idiomatic expressions you come across, including navigate the tunnels, and refer back to it to refresh your memory. We hope this exploration into the phrase, navigate the tunnels, has shed some light on how English idiomatic expressions work and enriched your understanding of the language. Remember, mastering a language is like navigating your own set of tunnels, filled with challenges but also with the thrill of discovery. Keep pushing forward, and don't hesitate to reach out for help when you need it. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.